Just have a video game business. That's what we did. All of this space, so easy. All you do is you come over here are the TVs, boom. The generator that's gonna provide heat and air. And there you go, the party starts now. You can book this online, so it's so easy. You've got your consoles here, gaming equipment, best investment ever. You have the seating for all the players that you want to have inside. Look at how spacious this is. Let me tell you, we had parties pre-booked before we ever even started our business. So the parties will be there. TVs, it's a no-brainer. This is the business you want to be in.